All right, guys, it is Monday. It's not Sunday. So let's get to it. Pretty sure a lot of you guys have been waiting for this. Ultimately, I am on the buying mode, the bullish momentum for the US dollar. I'm looking to keep buying the US dollar. Those of you that have not looked at the new monthly charts, you should probably look at it right here because the new monthly candle just happened today. It is April Fool's Day, so I don't know if you guys are planning to do any jokes today, but anyways, it is the first day of the month, so that's why I said it's very important to always look at the new monthly candle so you get a more precise confirmation of how long you want to swing, whether you're buying or selling, because you want to follow that trend as much as possible until you see a possible or maybe a confirmation of a strong reversal point. So based on this, I would keep buying. I'm gonna keep buying the U.S. dollar, and so this all started down here at this wick here. This was 2 weeks ago, and then now we're coming into this new weekly candle, looking to buy the dollar. This week is non-farm payroll, so be very, very careful of what's gonna happen for this upcoming Friday. So I don't really know what's gonna happen. There wasn't really much too much talk about non-farm payroll because there's two things that's being talked about today was the trade war, the trade talks with U.S. and China, and then the Brexit deal with UK and European Union. So those are the two main things to focus on right now versus NFP. NFP is just a one-day thing. Remember that. So if that's the case, like I said, I'm looking to buy USD Swiss franc for this week, sell gold, keep selling gold, go broke. A major structure for me was 1300. USD JPY is going back up. I'm looking to buy USD JPY. Let's see here. Euro GBP took a deep dive going down, but I'm still looking to buy Euro GBP as a retracement to go back up. I'm not expecting good news for the pound, even though the pound is going up right now. So just because the pound's going up right now doesn't mean that the pound's going to keep going up. So you gotta be mindful of that. Euro, looking to keep selling euro. Let me see how strong this thing's been trending down quite a bit. USD CAD, very, very undecisive for this week. Now it is going down, and so I do see a lot of resistance here. But what I'm looking at is for USD CAD to come target maybe back to this price again at 136.5. If it doesn't, then this could be the new downtrend. So very important to pay attention to because there's a lot of restriction. It's been restricted here at the 134.4 price. So very important to pay attention to. And it's probably leaning more towards into oil prices than where the U.S. dollar is going. Remember, if you look at the U.S. dollar, if you look at the U.S. dollar today, the U.S. dollar has been going up. Why is USD CAD going down, right? So oil prices play a huge factor for USD CAD. And remember that Canada is one of the main exporters of oil, so that's their economic growth. Australia. Like I said, I'm looking to sell Australia for the week, and same thing for New Zealand. I'm looking to keep selling the Kiwi dollar. That's the nickname for it. And sell the Aussie dollar here, and that's the plan. That's pretty much it. Just quick down, dirty, easy analysis here. Simplified for you guys. Like I said, you should always do your own analysis, regardless of my own analysis. Make sure that you are mentally prepared to trade Forex for the week, for the day, every single day if you plan to. And, don't get caught up, from session to session. Know what sessions makes the most money for you. Know that, you don't need to trade every session to make a lot of money. If that session makes you a lot of money, keep the money right there. Wait till that session comes back the next day. That's it. If you're going to keep swinging for the whole week, make sure you know when you want to take profit for the whole week. So that's something to pay attention to, especially for non-farm payroll for this week for Friday. I would not swing all the way till Friday. That would not be the ideal way of doing it, especially for a week like this. It could, like I said, this week is going to be really, really. I would say starting Wednesday and Thursday, especially Wednesday. You know, you got ADP employment coming out, so you have to pay attention to what's going to happen with ADP employment during New York sessions. And New York session is going to be the most volatile session, anyways. So always, you know, do your due diligence on your analysis and make sure you don't get caught up on the trend or when Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Friday comes by. You know, so today and tomorrow is really not a whole lot going on, but starting Wednesday is ADP kickoff. So that's something to pay attention to. And then I know we got a lot of high impact news coming in here. So Brexit votes today. The RBA rate statement, I'm not worried about that because they're not raising rates anyways. Let's see what else. Let's sit non-farm payroll. Yep. ADP employment is the only thing I'm paying attention to on Wednesday. Thursday, initial jobless claims, not so much, but there's a lot of heavy news that came in today, especially for Euro. You can see all this is red for Euro. It's crazy. Oh yeah, this is retail sales was bad too, but ISM was positive. Yeah, other than that, pay attention to the UK and pay attention to what's going to happen for Friday. That's it.